Hey everyone, Andre with Wings Mobile Detailing. Today we're going over the interior detailing and the best product to clean the interior surfaces. Spoiler alert, it's the Clean and Shine from Malco. This is an amazing product that we use to clean the hard surfaces of the vehicle, even the chrome, interior chrome, vinyl, and all the dashboard, the console of the car as well. We like to use this straight product. It will keep a clean, nice surface. It's also good to condition the surfaces as well to make sure it's not oily. We don't like that oily and greasy look like you get from silicone-based products. This is a water-based product that we love to use, and it keeps the surface matte looking, protected, finish like a new car that you get from the lot. So this is the Malco Clean and Shine. For other surfaces like leather interior, we always follow up with a leather conditioning serum from Chemical Guys. Matter of fact, I'll grab it right away. This is what we love to use for leather interior. In this case, we're detailing a minivan. And we like to, after cleaning the leather, softly massaging everything, we like to apply the leather conditioning serum from Chemical Guys. This leather conditioning serum has vitamins for the seats. They're leather seats. You know, leather seats are actual animal skin. So you need vitamins to rejuvenate and moisturize the skin. So that's the importance of it. You always want to keep the surfaces moisturized so it doesn't crack or fade. Just like with the hard surfaces as well, leather is most importantly. So this is why it's important to use a quality brand conditioners for your interior.